Good day, everyone. My name is Jadeline Joy D. Kahig, and today I'll be presenting one of the most significant artifacts in ancient Egypt in history, the Palette of King Narmer. This remarkable piece is not only an artwork but also a symbol of power, unity, and divine kingship in early Egypt. Let's explore its detail and meaning. Our topic is all about the Palette of King Narmer. Origin. This artifact was discovered in Hierakonpolis, Egypt, one of the earliest and most important archaeological sites of the ancient Egyptian civilization. Materials. It is made from siltstone, a dark gray, fine-grained type of stone often used by ancient Egyptians of carving. The Palette of King Narmer dates back to the early dynastic period, around 3100 BCE, over 5,000 years ago. Artist. The artist who made the palette is unknown, but it was carefully crafted by skilled Egyptian artisans who used art to record history and express religious beliefs. The Palette of King Narmer is one of the most important artifacts in ancient Egyptian history because it symbolizes the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt under King Narmer's rule. It was likely used for ceremonial or ritual purpose, not for everyday use. The carvings of the palette show King Narmer wearing both the white crown of Upper Egypt and the red crown of Lower Egypt, symbolizing his control over the entire land. The god Horus, shown as a falcon, appears beside him, representing divine approval and protection for his leadership.